Electrochemistry. Firstly, we will study electrode potential. It is the measure of a tendency of a metal rod to lose or gain the electron when placed in its electrolyte solution. Zinc get oxidized to zinc to positive plus 2 electron. Loss of electron, it is known as oxidation, and 0 to 2 plus 2 गई, ये भी oxidation ही होता है. Zinc plus 2 electron gives zinc. ये क्या है? Reduction. Types of electrode potential. First is oxidation potential. Measure of tendency of electrode to lose electron is known as oxidation potential. Zinc goes to zinc plus 2 electron, and zinc plus 2 gain 2 electron gives zinc. Electrode potential. Zinc to zinc plus 2 oxidation potential, or for all metals E0M/M and positive. Reduction potential. It is the measure of tendency of electrode to gain the electron. Gain करने की tendency को ही हम reduction बोलते हैं. Zinc to positive ने 2 electron gain किए तो वो zinc में convert हो गया. Zn plus 2 electron gives zinc. Now this is the reduction potential for zinc, and this is the reduction potential for metals. Usually transition metals. Oxidation potential is equal to minus of reduction potential. Reverse. That's why this is oxidation potential plus this is reduction potential minus. This is SHE, single hydrogen electrode. Construction. It consists of a platinum wire. Platinum is an element attached with a platinum foil dipped in the 1 molar HCl solution. Molar means molarity. HCl का hydrochloride solution as shown in the figure. This is the diagram. H2O, inlet, outlet, platinum wire, 1 molar HCl solution के अंदर ये dipped है. H2 is passed through solution at 1 bar pressure if necessary. It is represented as platinum H2, 1 atom H positive metal. A value of single hydrogen electrode is taken as 0. When SHE acts as an odd oxidation, H2 is oxidized to H positive. When SHE acts as cathode, 2H positive plus 2 electron H2 reduction, as already told. H positive ion concentration of HCl decreases. Now what is electrochemical cell? It is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and electrical energy at cost of spontaneous redox reaction. हम एक बात बताते हैं कि हमें कैसे याद करना है इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल. 2 बीकर्स लेनी है, बीच में एक लगेगा अगार अगार सॉल्यूशन वाला, और इधर 2 सॉल्यूशन लेने हैं, और लेफ्ट साइड पे हमेशा क्या होगी? ऑक्सीडेशन होगी. एनोड